We often need to save PowerPoint presentations as PDFs for several reasons. Let's explore different ways to convert PowerPoint files to PDF. Go to the File tab and click Save As. Select File Type as PDF. Change file name and location if needed. Click Save. The PDF has been created in the same folder. Go to the File tab and click Export. Click Create PDF XPS. Finally, click Publish. For advanced mode, you can choose either the Save As or Export approach. Optimize PDF for standard or minimal size. Then click Options. Specify the range as All Current Slide or Selection. You can also export custom slides. Choose what to publish. Every slide will be saved as a separate page. If required, include frame or hidden slides, comments, and ink. Including document properties and tags are optional. PDF archive compliant is optional. Finally, click OK and publish. The exported PDF document